wider, lighter, and thinner than the spring clamps that come standard on most quilting machines. This means you'll get a more even pull across the side of your quilt. It won't pull down on your quilt, and you'll be able to move your machine right up to the edge of the clamp without bumping into it and causing a wiggle in your quilting. The clamps are available in 4 different sizes to match the width of your machine and the quilting area, from 20 inches down to 8.5 inches. Attaching the clamps is not difficult. Just slide it over the edge of the backing and pinch the clamp down. And straighten out the strap and pull it about 2 inches to put tension on the elastic. If you have a wide quilt, you can add 2 clamps to get an even pull all the way across your quilt. Removing the clamps is not difficult. Just hold the clamp, get your finger under it, and flip it out. Another option you have for wide quilts is to purchase a wider clamp. They're just as easy to put on. Slide it on, pinch it closed. Wider clamps, you're going to need to use both hands to pinch it down and secure it. And again, just bring the strap to the side, stretch it about 2 inches, and you're ready to go. If your machine does not use Velcro to attach the clamps, you can easily adapt it by mounting a piece of Velcro to the sides in the appropriate places.